Madrid fans, खुश तो बहुत हो गए तुम आज. Of course यार, Trent Alexander-Arnold is in Real Madrid. Guys, we need to celebrate, man. We need to celebrate. But before celebrating, before talking about Real Madrid and Trent Alexander-Arnold, we need to talk about this guy. गौर से देखिए इस जालिम इंसान को. He is Robert Lewandowski.
ये चुप है.
गाइस, इसके भोले भाले शक्ल पे मत जाओ. बिकॉज ऑफ हिम एक 50 साल का बुढ़ा, एक बुजुर्ग भाई रास्ते पे आ गया है.
ये तो साला होना ही था.
उसको अपने जॉब से रिजाइन करना पड़ा बिकॉज ऑफ रॉबर्ट लेवेंडोस्की. भाई लेवेंडोस्की मैन, अच्छी बात नहीं है यार. ये एक बुजुर्ग रास्ते पे आ गया बिकॉज ऑफ यू. सो गाइस, जोक्स अपार्ट, मुझे नहीं खेलना भाई, मुझे नहीं खेलना. जब तक ये इंसान मैनेजर है ऑफ पोलैंड, आई विल नॉट प्ले. दीज वेर सम स्टेटमेंट्स बाय रॉबर्ट लेवेंडोस्की. And to be honest guys, this is the power of Robert Lewandowski. Because of him, Mikhail Probiarz, he resigned as the manager of Poland.
ये तो साला होना ही था.
Guys, controversy was very simple. That Lewandowski bhaiya served as the Poland captain for 11 years. And all of a sudden, without any discussion, without any prior notice, he was removed as the captain by Mikhail Probiarz. And his captainship was given to Pyotr Zelensky. Guys, just imagine, आप अपने घर पे आराम से AC पे सो रहे हो एंड सडनली आपको घर से उठा के फेंक दिया जाए, आपको निकाल दिया जाए. कैसा लगेगा यार?
सह लेंगे थोड़ा सा.
And according to sources, the Poland's manager Mikhail Probiarz, he promised Lewandowski that he will not remove him from the captainship. And because of this, Lewandowski felt betrayed. He said that he was betrayed and he does not trust this manager. But yaar, kudos to Lewandowski bhaiya. He wished, he said that जब तक Mikhail Probiarz रहेगा, he will not play. And he resigned today, man. He resigned. And to be honest, yeah, no one knows why Mikhail Probiarz resigned. Is it because of the influence of Lewandowski or is it because of the poor defeat of Poland against Finland? We don't know, yaar. But according to Mikhail Probiarz, the best thing to avoid this conflict, to avoid his reputation and image, the best decision was to resign.
इसकी गारंटी मैं नहीं दे सकता.
And coming back to Trent Alexander-Arnold, he is officially a Real Madrid player. And there are two updates regarding this. He will not be able to wear that 66 number jersey because of La Liga's strict rules and regulations. And because of this, he's going to wear the number 12 jersey, जो पहले Camavinga, Marcelo पहन चुके हैं. And the second update, there will be no Alexander-Arnold on the back of his t-shirt. It will be just Trent. Because according to Trent, people used to get confused that उसको Alexander बोला है, ये Alex बोला है, ये Trent बोला है. So he decided to keep it short and simple, just Trent.
भाई आपका नॉलेज तो कमाल का है भाई का.
While on the other hand, Bundesliga champions Bayern Munich, they are very close to sign Nico Williams from Athletic Club. But यार ये कब हुआ यार? Barcelona, Laporta. By the way, Barcelona are currently looking for a left back. But coming back to Nico Williams, after Leroy Sané has decided that he will leave Bayern Munich and he will join Galatasaray, Bayern Munich needs this winger. And to be honest guys, Nico Williams under Vincent Kompany in Bayern Munich, he will be lethal. A speedy, athletic, skillful winger who has scored 10 goals this season in La Liga and 7 goals in Europa League. And guys, just imagine, he will be playing with Alphonso Davies, Joshua Kimmich, Harry Kane, Musiala. What a lethal side it will be.